12 Jacqueline Fernandez quotes to know about life, work, and friendship. Find some inspiring quotes said by Jacqueline Fernandez to find motivation about life, work, and friendship. Who is Jacqueline Fernandez? Jacqueline Fernandez is a Sri Lankan actress who primarily works in Hindi films. She is an established actress in the Bollywood film industry due to her performances. She is the winner of the Miss Universe Sri Lanka pageant of 2006. How was Jacqueline's life journey? Jacqueline Fernandez was born on August 11, 1985, in Manama, Bahrain. Her father is Elroy Fernandez and her mother is Kim. After her graduation, she did a couple of television shows in Sri Lanka. She worked as a television reporter in Sri Lanka and joined the modeling industry. She has crowned Miss Universe Sri Lanka in 2006 and represented her country at Miss Universe 2006. She wanted to become an actress at a young age. She traveled to India for a modeling assignment in India. She made her acting debut in the film Aladdin, but got her success in 2011 in the movie Murder 2. She showed her acting skill in many successful movies such as Houseful 2, Race 2, Kick, Houseful 3, and Judwa 2. Jacqueline Fernandez quotes. Read the motivational quotes said by Jacqueline Fernandez to find some motivation. 1. If you are insecure, then you can't be friends with anyone. Jacqueline Fernandez. 2. I always seek one quality in my friends, that they should be genuine. Jacqueline Fernandez. 3. I am single and enjoying it. My work is keeping me busy. Jacqueline Fernandez. Jacqueline Fernandez self-help quotes. 4. What motivates me is that the best is yet to come. Jacqueline Fernandez. 5. Yoga disciplines both the mind and the souls, and not just your body. It helps me in having a constant positive outlook in life. I would love my family to adopt this form of fitness as well. Jacqueline Fernandez. 6. Take care of yourself by eating right, sleeping right, and exercising regularly. These are the only rules I swear by. If you follow this religiously and use the right products, your skin and hair will thank you. Jacqueline Fernandez. Inspiring quotes by Jacqueline Fernandez. 7. Actresses cannot have any inhibitions while portraying bold characters. It is something that we learn on the first page of the book on acting. Jacqueline Fernandez. 8. It's a great feeling when your work is appreciated. Jacqueline Fernandez. 9. I can't stand fake people. I can feel it when someone feigns it. Jacqueline Fernandez. 10. I believe in love but just have not found anyone. Jacqueline Fernandez. 11. The only thing that comes naturally to me is my energy. Jacqueline Fernandez. 12. Don't be afraid to admit what your dreams are. Jacqueline Fernandez. Final words. I hope you liked the above Jacqueline Fernandez quotes. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below. You may also like the motivational quotes mentioned below. Also, you can join our Instagram page to get daily positive lines, or you can visit our Pinterest page to get motivational images.